The Paris Motor Show had it all, with the exception of some notable absentees. Europe's biggest automotive expo for the year gave the local brands Peugeot, Citroën and Renault a place in the spotlight by offering them a glimpse into the future, while rival German brands BMW and Mercedes-Benz revealed critical new luxury cars. Then there were some tasty hot hatches and sports cars. Yep, true to French form, the Paris Motor Show was a democratic display of today and tomorrow's automotive landscape. So here's Drive's 7 best cars that stood out from the crowd at Paris 2018. The Peugeot E-Legend concept might look like a throwback retro machine, with styling inspired by the gorgeous Pininfarina penned 504 coupe of the late 1960s, even complete with sumptuous blue velvet seats. But behind the rose-coloured glasses lies a futuristic electric car with cutting-edge autonomous driving technology and a cockpit that features no less than 16 screens, including a full-length one across the dashboard that displays digitised wood grain. On a completely different scale, the Renault Easy Ultimo concept is the French car maker's vision of an autonomous limousine. The Art Deco-style lounge room on wheels consists of green velvet chairs and marble tables that sit on a timber panel floor. Its luxury vehicle is pitched as a sort of contemporary first-class lounge that is accessible to all. So imagine French high schoolers turning up to the prom in one, or even getting into the back after a hen's night on a pub crawl. Anyway, back to reality. BMW revealed its 7th generation 3 Series in Paris. Packed with new technology and physically bigger than the car it replaces, it brings a new look and extra performance. Across the hall, Mercedes-Benz showed off its new GLE full-size luxury SUV. The new model features world-first tech which could change four-wheel driving as we know it. Able to jump out of deep sand, a stranded GLE can literally hop up and down on the spot to allow sand to gather under its wheels and letting customers drive away without any incident. For those in the suburbs though, which is literally where most of them will spend their time, the interior has stepped up its luxury appeal with a glossy large twin display system found in the likes of the E-Class sedan. At the same time, Mercedes Hot Rod AMG division also revealed its new A35 hot hatch. Designed to slot in between the regular A250 and the red hot A45, it produces 225 kilowatts of power and 400 newton meters of torque, and can slingshot from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 4.7 seconds. Think of it as a direct rival for the likes of the VW Golf R and Ford Focus RS. Expect a price tag in that region too, around $60,000 when it lands here next year. A little further into the future, Skoda previewed its own hot hatch with the Vision RS concept. The sharp-edged machine showcases the look of the next generation Rapid, which will include a hot hatch rival for the Golf GTI from sister brand Volkswagen. Although this one comes with a bit of a twist, as the concept had a hybrid drivetrain producing 180 kilowatts of power and 370 newton meters of torque from a 1.5 litre turbo engine with added electrical assistance. For those that demand a bit more speed and exclusivity, Porsche confirmed it will produce a limited run of 911 Speedsters at Paris. Limited to just 1,948 units, the car pays homage to the German maker's 70th anniversary in both history and availability. Based on the thrilling 911 GT3, the open-top special will cost more than $500,000, with just a handful likely to make it to Australia. There was even more on display, so for all the latest automotive news from the 2018 Paris Motor Show, make sure you check out drive.com.au.